Last week, Russian Su-24 fighter jets pulled a Maverick on the USS Donald Cook in international waters, reportedly buzzing the ship 11 times, coming as close as 30 feet and low enough to ripple the water. The next day, a Russian helicopter was taking photographs as it circled the ship, followed by more Russian jets that did not respond to safety warnings in English or Russian. The United States European Command released a statement saying, quote, "We have deep concerns about the unsafe and unprofessional Russian flight maneuvers. These actions have the potential to unnecessarily escalate tensions between countries and could result in a miscalculation or accident that could cause serious injury or death," unquote. According to the Military Times, fighter jets conducting simulated attacks on naval vessels is against a 1973 treaty between the United States and the former Soviet Union. Whether or not that means anything to Russian President Vladimir Putin is anybody's guess. Spokesman for the Russian Ministry of Defense, Major General Igor Konashenkov, downplayed the flybys, saying they were standard turnaway maneuvers and complied with all safety regulations. Another response came from the Russian media, bragging about the aerobatic skills of their pilots, noting that American sailors gathered on the deck to watch the display. Secretary of State John Kerry went so far as to say shooting down the Russian planes would have been justified. In a statement to the Miami Herald, Kerry said, quote, "We condemn this kind of behavior. It is reckless, it is provocative, it is dangerous, and under the rules of engagement that could have been a shoot-down," unquote. Pretty strong words for a limp wrist like Kerry. The biggest limp wrist of all, President Barack Hussein Obama, spoke directly with Russian President Vladimir Putin. According to White House Press Secretary Josh Earnest, Obama failed to mention American concerns about the incident during the conversation. It's possible the stunt was done in retaliation to a NATO buildup in several Baltic nations to assist against increasing Russian aggression. One thing is for certain, Vladimir Putin knows for a fact Obama is far too weak to do anything about it.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and donate at theraywarnershow.com.